श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। Hari Om. We have started planning very extensively for celebrating our Puja Gurudev's 100th birthday, the Birth Centennial Celebrations, BCC. And while we were planning for this Gurudev's centennial celebrations, we came along with various possibilities of celebrating and marking the great legendary Swami Chinmayanandaji's life, vision and teachings. The best way to offer our salutations is by performing the Paduka Puja, that grand tradition which was started by Bharata when he took Bhagwan Sri Ramchandraji's Padukas and he kept the Padukas on the Simhasana and performed the duties of a king as his representative. We all, as his representatives, as Puja Gurudev's representatives, we get this opportunity to reinstate our dedication, our self-discipline and our surrender at the Master's feet. So when the Jyoti Yatra arrives at each center, the Jyoti along with the entire setup arrives at a center, and the center can already start planning for these Paduka Pujas. If the center is a small one and the congregation is a cozy 50 to 80 families, probably what we can do is take this Chinmaya Jyoti into these different houses where people can sign up for the Paduka Puja and perform Paduka Puja by inviting Gurudev and his Padukas to their house. While this Paduka visits your individual houses, you could invite your friends, family, neighbors, so that they get a slice of introduction into Puja Gurudev's life. At that point, we could have a small puja followed by few bhajans, and maybe a senior mission member, if there is no acharya, can speak on Gurudev's life and that which touched them, that which inspires them, so that it could be an introduction to many more. So this Paduka Puja, if it is in a larger center, we could probably have this Jyoti, of course, go to different homes, but we could divide the center into various zones and take it to those zonal neighborhoods and invite as many people as possible and organize these Paduka Pujas at different zones or sub-centers. Like Dallas has Saket, then it has Chitrakoot, then we have a little satsang that is happening in Fort Worth or Mineral Wells or various such places. So wherein we could invite all the Indians, all the Hindus from that area, and they could all participate in this Mahotsava celebration in inviting and invoking Puja Gurudev's blessings. Thus, when this Paduka and the Jyoti Yatra goes touching that many lives, It would be a great opportunity to bring the awareness of Gurudev, his life and his mission, thereby inspiring that many more to follow this sacred path that great master envisioned about in 1950, inspired at the feet of Mother Ganga, and then he straight walked into the plains with the permission of his Guru Swami Tapona Maharaj. And with that single man's effort, we today are blessed with having Chinmay mission all across about 28 countries. So it would be befitting if we can organize this Paduka Puja. Hari Om.